temperature. Due to the increase in the Earth's temperature, the ice mountains are getting melted and mixing with the sea level. So due to the increase in the sea level, the floods are caused. As I already told you, sir, increase in the sea level, intense heating is the reason for the floods, and the same reason is also for the droughts. Due to the intense heating, in some areas the water is getting evaporated and droughts are formed. This is the overpopulated area, sir. It is a factory, and due to the chemical effluents released by them, it leads to the death of the aquatic animals. This is the radiation tower, sir. The radiations released by them, the ozone layer is getting pierced. As this pollution continuously occurs, this causes to the death of many humans and animals. So they go to the better idea that living in the underground, sir. Due to the living in the underground, they can survive for some more days. If they want, they can survive for some more days, sir. As you see, they make some chambers over here, and they get the oxygen for the water. They mix the hydrogen and the oxygen, and they get water here. If they wanted to go out, they use space machines like this, so that they will not affected by the ultraviolet rays. Due to the ultraviolet rays got by them. Now my friend is here to explain you about this.
Yeah, sir. You see, so if we don't want that situation to happen, it is better for us to develop this situation. You see, sir, this is a biogas plant and this is a windmill, sir. This is a water harvesting program. It is better for us to develop this situation because the biogas plant is very useful for us. The biogas plant is very useful for us, and the biogas is prepared by the action of microorganisms in the absence of oxygen with the dead and decaying organisms, sir. The biogas contains 60% of the methane, which is very useful for the cooking purpose, and it is also useful for the lightening purpose, sir. You see, sir, that is a windmill, sir. That is a windmill. The windmill is very useful for pumping the harvested water throughout the village, and it is also very useful to pump the water in the cultivated areas, sir. By growing abundant trees in the bunds of the cultivated area, we get both food crops and also we get commercial crops. Here we suggested some of the preventive steps, sir. Unnecessary combustion of fuels, sir. Means by reducing the uses of fuels, that is one of the best preventive steps, sir. As I showed you here, afforestation, sir. Afforestation is the best solution to overcome all these problems. One more, biogas plant should be encouraged, sir. As we already showed you here, the biogas plant is also one more preventive step. One more, factories should treat with chemical effluents, sir. The factories which release chemical effluents into the healthy water, the water is getting contaminated and aquatic animals are becoming extinct, sir. So the chemical effluents should be purified before they are dumped into the healthy water. One more, ban on plastic bags, sir. In the absence of plastic bags, you can also use cloth bags. One more, every citizen should be made aware of the ill effects of global warming, sir. This is one of our trade to educate the children about the global warming and the ill effects of global warming. Afforestation, sir. As we already showed you here. One more, in cities, greenery should be developed. As a citizen of Hyderabad, which is a developing city, we should develop greenery by growing trees in our homes, which are short like tulsi, aloe vera, and many more, sir. One more, every citizen should plant a tree for his birthday or anniversary, sir. I already implemented planting trees for my birthday, sir. One more, at last we should use water, electricity and consumption of fuels judiciously, sir. By reducing the uses of these energy resources, that is very useful for the decreasing of global warming, sir. At last, we don't want to become extinct like dinosaurs. This is our duty of every citizen to follow all these preventive steps and to decrease the global warming, sir. Thank you.
What's your ambition?
Psychiatrist.